What's going on, guys? Back with another video. So this is the second time I'm trying to rerun this, guys. Okay, so the Piggy Bank Machine TPG edition is up and running. This is going to be my second attempt. I wanted to kind of show you guys how to go and get it started and get it running and all that good stuff. But I went ahead and took out my bacon from the Piggy garden just to do an example. I took out some and we went right over here to the new Piggy Bank Machine TPG edition. So when you go over here, they say that you have to approve the TPG spend first. So all I did was just put in 100 and then I press approve. For some reason, there must be a bug or something, but MetaMask will automatically, it'll say unapproved. It'll say contract unapproved. So you have to click on it and then press the approve button for it to go through. Once you do that, you go down here to this minimum right here. Don't press max. Just put in a solid number, a whole number, whether it's 100, and then you're going to hit use. The same thing will happen. Same thing will happen. Like for example, same thing will happen. You might see this. Don't ever make that try to go through ever. Just hit reject. But what you will see if you have the funds in your wallet, it'll just come up. It'll say unauthorized or unable to approve or something. As soon as you click it, it'll give you the option to see the gas fee, and then you can manually approve it and it will go through. Once you do that, you should see your my stake number here change. Now remember, you cannot take this TPG out. You cannot take it out, right? You cannot take it out. But wait a minute, what? Wait a minute. But I gotta see how much is the damn ham right now. I don't even know how much the damn ham is right now. But you're supposed to be able to come over here now and see. Once you put, I guess as you stake your, sorry, I messed that up completely. For some reason, I thought you were supposed to exchange it was supposed to be a quick exchange right away. But basically, once you put your TPG in here and you're now minting ham, you'll see this number go up. Once you take that ham, once you get enough, you will claim it. Bring it on over here to the stake. You can then stake it, or you can just sell it. You know what I'm saying? So it's up to you at that point. But this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking our TPG right over here from the Piggy garden, and we're going to be minting ham. That's the process we're going to do. That's the missing loop that we're going to do, and that should gain us some nice gains. Also, you're still going to have people playing the short game where they're just going to be taking their TPG, whether they're buying it or they're raising it from the piggies, or you're raising it from the piggies here, and they're you can sell it straight on the market. But if there's a chance for you to make even more money, obviously, then you would be going here to mint it. You know what I mean? So yeah, you got to think about that. And yeah, I might actually buy some more here, just to get a nice little bag going or something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, definitely looking forward to this. This is going to be dope. Something like this is very, very good when the market is terrible, right? Because you know that you're growing. You're actively doing something to grow your money. And it's working for you, as long as it doesn't go down and disappear. But yeah. Anyways, very, very quick and simple, guys. Make sure that you come over here and check it out. Join the team if you would like to be on the team. We'll earn together, talk strategies together, and all that good stuff. You can come on over here to my Discord. Link is in the description. You can check that out as well. And this is going to be fun, man. I'm very, very excited. Let me know what you guys' strategies are, how much you're putting in right away. If you're going to be using mainly your residuals from your raised piggies on the garden to put in here only, or if you're actually going to put more capital into it. I really wanted to put more capital into it last night. I did not. I wanted to wait. Today I'm going to reevaluate, see if I want to do that, because I already have a substantial amount in here. And I don't know if I really want to put any more in. But I know how successful the first piggy bank machine was, and so I'm really wanting to FOMO into this very, very quickly. I just hope it doesn't disappear like Bird Machine. But yeah, I mean, it's going, guys. It's going. So yeah, we're gonna try to stack our TPG up in here. You know, to me, it's the best place to put it, in my opinion, and it helps stabilize the price as well. So let's do it. Anyways, catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think in the description, but not in the description. Jesus Christ. What is it? The comment section. Anyways, happy rating. Do your own research. Make the best decision. Make some money.